Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese Begin. I'm Ella. Today we will start learning Chinese courses of HSK Level 1. The content of each lesson is made according to the new syllabus of HSK 2021. Lesson 1 is greetings. Say hello in Chinese. 你好. And in lesson 1, we will learn first 3 ways to say hello in Chinese. Second, the tone change rule of the third tone. Okay, let's begin. 你好. 你好. In this dialogue, these two people are saying hello to each other. In China, people usually use 你好 to say hello when they meet for the first time. 你好. 你好. 你 means you. 好 means good. 你好, hello. 你好 means you good literally, so it has the meaning that I wish you were the good. 你好 is usually used between people of similar age and position, like friends, co-workers, and so on. And if the elder people say hello to the younger people, they also say 你好 in Chinese. Now, let's have a practice. If you want to say hello to your co-workers, what would you say in Chinese? Yes, you can say 你好. 你好. There is tone change in the two characters 你 and 好. That is the tone change rule of the third tone. When two third tone syllables are read in sequence, the first syllable turns into the second tone. We have learned the tone change rule in lesson 11 of our pronunciation course. Here, 你 and 好, both of them have the third tone. So, the first character, 你, should be read into the second tone, 你, according to the rule of the third tone change. 你好. 你好. Although the pronunciation of the first character 你 is changed into the second tone 你, the written form of the tone mark of 你 is still the third tone. Here are two words which also have the third tone change. The first one is 很渴. 很渴 means thirsty. Both the two characters 很 and 渴 have the third tone, so the pronunciation of the first character 很 should be changed into the second tone 很渴. 很渴. Another word is 美好, which means nice. The pronunciation of the first character 美 should also become into the second tone 美好. 美好. Here are 3 words. Try to find the words that have the third tone change. Great! They are 语法 and 整理. Ni hao is used between peers. So, how to say hello to people who are older or in higher position than us? Let's listen to another dialogue. 您好. 你好. In this dialogue, the woman and the old man are saying hello to each other. But the woman doesn't say 你好, but 您好. 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 您 respectful form of you. 好 good. 您好 hello. When we say hello to people who are older or in higher position than us, we say 您好 to show our respect. So, if you want to be more polite to others, like your boss or teacher, when you meet them, you can say 您好. Now, let's have a practice. This little girl and this old man are saying hello to each other. So, what should the girl say in Chinese? 您好你好 Great! She should say 您好 to show her respect to this old man. Now, let's look at the third way to say hello in Chinese. There is a student who are saying hello to his teacher. Let's listen to this dialogue. 老师好你好 From this dialogue, we can find that if you meet your teacher, except 您好, you can also say 老师好老师好老师好老师 means teacher 好 good 老师好 hello teacher. So, if we say hello to a particular people or a group of people who have the same job, we can use the structure person or job title plus 好. For example, when we say a doctor, we can say 医生好. 医生 means doctor, which is a job title. So, if you meet your teacher in campus and you want to say hello, what would you say? Very good. You can say 老师好老师好 Hello, teacher. We have learned 3 ways to say hello today. In the end, let's have a review. The first one we need is 你好, which is the most common way to say hello in Chinese. Usually, it is used between peers. The next one, 您好, is the respect form of 你好, which is usually used to say hello to other people to show respect. The third one, we use the structure, person or job title plus 好 to say hello to a particular people or a group of people who have the same job or same characters. And the key words appeared in this lesson. 你 you 好 good 您 respect form of 你老师 teacher 医生 doctor. Okay, that's what we have learned today. Don't forget to complete the related practice for this lesson. In next lesson, we will learn lesson 2. 你叫什么名字? What's your name? 再见. See you next time.